How to fix phone no flood on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix no flood on Telegram. So first of all, let me tell you what is number flood. So this error occurs when there are too many login attempts or multiple SMS requests for the same phone number. In order to fix this, you need to launch Telegram application and make sure that you enter the correct phone number. If not, this error might occur. After that, you need to simply update Telegram. Open App Store or Google Play Store and search Telegram. If there is any update available, then you need to tap update button and then update to the latest version. An outdated app can cause login issues. The next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure that you switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reconnect to a stable internet connection. If that doesn't help, you need to long press on Telegram app icon, select app info, and after that tap on the storage usage option. Select clear cache, and after that reinstall Telegram if all this step fails. And with that, you will simply fix the phone number flood error on Telegram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.